Alright, so the pool at night's really dark. There's not much lights out here. So one light there, but it doesn't reach the pool. So we bought this rope light and we're going to try it out around the pool. Here it is. And here's the little solar light that goes on top. We're going to put it on top of one of the 4x4s over there, pointing up. So I took the solar stand and I put a couple nails to the base of it into this 4x4. And now we'll have this stand right here for the solar panel to go to. This is what it looks like. It clips on with this little clip. Push down on that tab. And there we go. So there's the solar panel connected to that. You can tighten it down kind of wherever you feel the sun is. I'm just going to have it straight up. You can see I got some trees right here, but there's no trees right above, so I should be good at a straight up location. Has I don't know, about 6 foot cord before it starts getting to the LEDs, so that's good. And then I'll run this around the pool. Alright, let me show you how I'm installing this. Okay, so this is in a tube and it's got some, you can squish it quite a bit. You can see the wire in there is really fine. So you can see in this pool, the cover here, every 4 feet or so there's a cover, and you can see there's a groove here, and that's perfect for this to sit right in there. So all you got to do is take the little cap off, get a little drill, take the screw out, take the screw out there, and then this thing will pull up. If you pull on it, it'll pull up, and then you just take your little wire, put it underneath, and then set it where you want it. There's 4 different places you can put it, so I can put it here, here, or up at the front. I'm going to put it in the back just in case my kids don't start yanking on it like it's a rope or something. So I'm putting it towards the back, and then once you have it in place, screw it back down, and it'll be like that. Yeah, it's going to squish the little hose a little bit, but it'll be fine. So I decided to put the wire like right up on this little lump. I don't have to unscrew it if I do it there, and it's a little bit easier. And plus, the light's going to be closer to the water, and make it shine, make the water shine a little bit more. So I think I'm going to do that instead. So all I have to do is put it in there, push this clip, and kind of lift it up where that gap is there. That's it. Make sure it's tight. Okay, so there we go. We got the rope. It does about halfway, so I need one more set. It's 21 feet. This is 24 foot pull, and it's going all the way around. Stops to about right there. I don't really care for the lights here because I already got lights up here, LED ones that are solar. And so then I'll run another set going from this one here all the way across, and it should be good. Okay, this is only like was it 1 lumen? Yeah, it's not very bright. It's more for decorative. Yeah, but video tonight and see how it looks. The little rope. All right, so here's the LED rope lights halfway around the pool. Looks pretty good. Goes around 7 of those connectors. So I think if I get one more, it'll do the other half, and it'll look really cool. Not super bright. It's more of just for looks, but it looks cool. Alright, got the second set of rope lights on the pool, and it's just barely, they just barely turned on. The sun is setting, and you can see it's pretty nice. So it pretty much, this one was 22 feet as well, so it fit all the way, about to right here. So I just had this part that doesn't have any lights, but that's okay because you got these lights here that go on these 4x4s. But yeah, definitely worth, I think I paid 20 bucks for them. The link in Amazon, I think it's $15 for 33 feet. You probably would need 2 of those if you had a 24-foot pole, or you could just use one and just kind of go maybe halfway if you wanted to. definitely worth it buying a set of these because it just makes the pool look a lot nicer. Alright, and there it is from up. I'm on the upstairs of my house, and you can see it's almost all the way around the lights. It just looks a lot cooler like that. This is really nice for decorative pool rope lights.